At Ross University School of Medicine, we believe in preparing students to become compassionate, capable physicians from the very start. One of the most impactful ways we do this is through immersive, hands-on learning experiences in real-world healthcare settings. As students transition from the classroom into more clinical settings, they begin to put their knowledge into action, taking patient histories, using their stethoscopes, and conducting physical exams. It's no longer just about studying medicine, it's about doing medicine. Our ambulatory healthcare experiences place students directly into communities where they engage with patients living with chronic diseases like hypertension and diabetes, conditions that affect multiple organ systems and demand holistic understanding. It's a powerful opportunity for students to apply their knowledge while seeing firsthand how healthcare is delivered beyond the hospital walls. Just as important, students work side by side with multidisciplinary teams, doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals, learning how to collaborate and communicate effectively in fast-paced, patient-centered environments. These experiences aren't just about clinical exposure, they're about understanding the communities they serve. By embedding students in underserved areas, we help cultivate empathy, cultural awareness, and a deep respect for the people and systems they'll one day lead as physicians. Patients play an essential role in this journey. They welcome our students, share their stories, and contribute directly to their education. It's a partnership built on mutual respect and growth. As our students bring their curiosity, energy, and compassion, patients provide real-life lessons no textbook can offer. This is where future doctors begin to take shape, where learning meets purpose, and where students start becoming the physicians they were meant to be, ready to make a difference wherever they go. At RossMed, we're proud to support that transformation, one patient, one community, one future doctor at a time.